Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SiteGround affiliate program for high-performing hosting leads, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the SiteGround website in your web browser. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Look for the affiliates link in the footer menu. Click on the affiliates link to navigate to the affiliate program page. On the affiliate page, locate the login button. Click on the login button to access the affiliate login portal. You will be redirected to the affiliate login page. Enter your registered email address in the first input field. Input your password in the second field provided. Ensure that you check the password for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Wait for a moment as the system verifies your details. Once logged in, you will see the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available options. Explore various tabs such as Reports, Tools, and Payments. To access your referral links, click on the Links tab. Select the hosting plans you want to promote. Copy your unique referral link for sharing. Monitor your performance in the Reports section regularly. Check for any updates or new promotional materials available. Take advantage of available resources to boost your marketing efforts. If you encounter issues, utilize the support options provided. Stay updated with any changes to the affiliate program guidelines. Engage with the community forums for additional tips and strategies. Use your affiliate login regularly to optimize your marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.